It is one of the numerous crypto tokens that helps power a decentralized trade. However, what is 1inch? We should investigate and see what we can figure it out. And furthermore, inspect a portion of the 1inch cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 20th of October 2022 as well. 1inch made sense of. Perhaps of the main idea in the realm of both digital money and blockchain innovation overall is that of decentralized finance. This is the possibility that, since there are countless individuals across the world who don't approach conventional banking yet are as yet ready to get to the web, it ought to be simple and direct for them to get to monetary administrations by means of an application. Without a doubt, decentralization is a critical region of the planet of crypto. The possibility that there is no single power figure is a key selling point for some coins, tokens, and blockchain networks. Another fundamental thought with regards to crypto is that of the trade. All things considered, a digital currency can't actually be believed to have a worth in the event that it can't be purchased, sold, or exchanged, and a trade is a vital driver in the exchange virtual coins and tokens. Nonetheless, there are two various types of crypto trade. First and foremost, there are brought-together trades. These are the large players in the trade world, with locales like Binance and Coinbase driving the way. The thing with CES is that there is some worry about their concentrated nature. Some decentralization evangelists accept that having exchanges subject to a concentrated authority conflicts with the actual ethos of digital currency, while the reality stays that individuals can exchange cryptos that the CEX records the matches that are accessible on the stages. Decentralized trades. A possible option in contrast to this comes as the decentralized trade, or DEX. A DEX allows individuals to list what they need and purchase at the cost they are willing to pay in a shared organization. These frameworks utilize savvy contracts, PC programs that naturally execute when certain circumstances are met, and liquidity pools to work. While they can be fairly mind-boggling, their allies guarantee that their adaptability and absence of decentralization make them a valuable arrangement. There are numerous DES out there, and 1inch is only one of them. What makes it a piece different to the numerous other decentralized trades out there is that it is a smidgen more than one single DEX. Rather, it orders data from the different DES that jumble up the blockchain and consolidates everything, in principle offering clients the chance to find out where the best costs are and how to get them. Each blockchain-based stage needs its own digital currency, and 1inch has the advantageously named 1inch local token. This crypto is utilized to permit holders to decide on the fate of the framework as well as on the boundaries of new items sent off. Liquidity provers can cast a ballot how the pools are set up, with, as is common for administration tokens like 1inch, a citizen's power connected to how much tokens held. 1inch is controlled by a decentralized independent association. Notwithstanding, the framework has two named organizers, Russian designers Sergej Kuntz and Anton Bukov, who concocted the idea in 2019 preceding the token send-off the next year. As indicated by the framework site, there have been more than 3.6 million distinct wallets utilized on the stage and 23.8 at least million exchanges, with more than $249 billion worth of cash going through the organization. It merits bringing up at this stage that 1inch depends on the Ethereum blockchain, implying that it is, in fact, a token as opposed to a coin. You could see references to such things as a 1inch coin cost forecast in any case. In the event that we will be exact and precise about things like this, they are off base. We should now investigate the 1inch cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can assist with giving us some genuinely necessary setting with regards to either deciphering a 1inch cost expectation or probably making one of our own. At the point when 1inch first went onto the open market in late 2020, it was worth about $1.60. The beginning of the next year saw the crypto market detonate, and 1inch had the option to capitalize on the buyer market, arriving at an unsurpassed high of $7.87 on the 8th of May that year. Following that, however, it was all declining, and notwithstanding a convention to highs more than $5.70 in late October, the cost eventually drooped to close the year at $2.39. Up until this point, 2022 has been a terrible year for crypto overall and for 1inch specifically. It seemed to be the tumble to $1.19 following Russia's intrusion of Ukraine would be the depressed spot as the token energized to $2.07 on the 1st of April. Nonetheless, that turned out to be an April numbskull's joke, with a progression of market declines carrying it to an unsurpassed low of 51 cents on the 18th of June. From that point forward, there has been some sluggish, staggering recuperation, and, starting around the 20th of October 2022, the token was exchanging at around 57 cents. Around then, there were 621,380,091 1inch available for use out of an all-out supply of 1.5 billion. This, thusly, gave the token a market cap of around $357 M, making it the 96th biggest crypto by that measurement. 1-inch cost forecasts. With that everywhere and finished with, we should investigate a portion of the 1-inch cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 20th of October 2022. It is essential to recollect at this stage that cost conjectures, particularly with regards to a product as possibly unstable as digital money, all the time end up being incorrectly. Likewise, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change immediately. To begin with, had a momentary 1-inch cost expectation for 2022 that was to some degree blended, proposing the token could ascend to 59 cents on the 25th of October prior to tumbling to 53 cents by the 19th of November. Maybe fittingly, the site's specialized examination for 1-inch was negative, with 14 pointers conveying negative messages contrasted with 10 making bullish ones. Then, made a 1-inch crypto cost forecast that said the token could remain at 63 cents this year and 96 cents 1 year from now. By 2024, the site said, the crypto might have broken past the dollar hindrance to remain at $1.25, coming to $1.53 in 2025, $1.63 in 2026, and $1.83 in 2027. By 2028, the figure was for 1-inch to be valued at $2.14, with it getting to $2.58 before the decade's over. The site then made a 1-inch cost expectation for 2030 of $3.18 prior to contending it could get to $3.95 in 2031. In the meantime, had a 1-inch cost conjecture that guaranteed the token could drop in the more limited term, tumbling to 41 cents in December 2022. By October 2023, however, there was the potential for recuperation, with the crypto anticipated to remain at 85 cents. The site then proceeded to make a 1-inch cost expectation for 2025 of $1.44 prior to contending it could drop to $1.31 in October 2027. By 2030, be that as it may, the figure made statements could pivot to see 1-inch remaining at $3.61, before it made a 1-inch cost expectation for 2040 of $7.21. At last, made a 1-inch symbolic cost expectation that said the token was in for a somewhat troublesome a year, with the anticipated cost for the crypto remaining at a simple 9 cents in October 2023. While considering a 1-inch symbolic cost expectation, it's vital to remember that digital money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, investigators and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectation. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news specialized in principal examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to settling on any venture choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never exchange